Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to walk you through how to apply a tourist visa, or you can say entry visa, to travel to Libya. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, whenever it comes to apply any visa for any country, the very first thing you should check is that do you really need a visa? Because based on your nationality, duration, purpose, and even based on other passport, other countries' visa that you may have, you may or may not actually need a visa. And once you clarify with this, and then you want to go through the process, always see the process as per the official entity of your destination country that covers your residential area. Because based on your area, there could be additional documents, additional steps, even additional fee too. Okay, so for example, if you live here in Canada, I have opened the embassy of state of Libya here in Canada, that's in Ottawa. So under consular services, I have gone for entry visa, where we have required documents. So what are the documents we need? Passport valid for 6 months, visa form completed, sign, two passport size photographs, certified check or money order payable to Embassy of Libya. Okay, well, and they have given the fee also. Okay, please include a prepaid return envelope to mailbox document. Okay, complete package can be mailed or delivered to our address. So if you are in Ottawa, you can definitely call them and ask if you can do it personally. Otherwise, you can mail also and check. On the information, contact number, these things have been given here. Okay, now let's say this visa application form. So you're going to place your photo here. So it's in English too, so it's not going to be a problem. In case interpurpose is mission, work, study, visit, give name and address of the concerned. Okay, first application's personal particular name, then family name, date of place, former nationality if applicable, present nationality, occupation, qualification, phone number, religion, wow, father name, mother name, marital status, present address, issued on. Then comes your passport. Okay, now on this side, enclosed documents, whatever you have enclosed are enclosing with your application. Have you been to Libya? Yes or no, provide. Last departure date, provide if applicable, otherwise write NA. Last address in Libya, if you have stayed in hotel or somewhere, put that in information. Destination in case of transit, means of travel, reference in Libya. If you have booked hotel to travel agency, they do provide this information, so that you can do. Applicant signature, receiver signature, fine, date. So that's very simple guys, and in this way you can submit the form and submit with your application, and if everything is granted, you'll be all good to go. Now remember, in the previous screen I showed you visa fee. So depending upon the location you are in, it could vary based on the local currency. This is how it works guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.